please. Receiving school students and teachers. Thank you. You may sit down. All right, 8Cs and receiving students. Receiving students, you should have your primary school atlases in front of you, if you have them, and also globes. Right, receiving teachers, if you can provide that, provide those materials for your students, globes, and also primary school atlases. Thank you. All right, can I have one volunteer, please, quickly to come to the front? Can I have a volunteer? Receiving students, can we have one volunteer from you to go up to the front? Okay, if there is a globe in front of you, all right, receiving students, please have a volunteer to go up to the front. Okay, 8Cs. All right, we'll have, if we don't have any volunteers, okay, then I'll choose. Okay, let's have, let's have Eileen. Eileen, can you come to the front, please? Eileen. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, Eileen, let's have Steven. Steven, too. Okay. Maybe we can have a boy and a girl. Receiving students, you can have a boy and a girl, too. All right. Okay, on this globe here, all right, you hold on to one globe, so it's dusty. Can you? And you hold on to one. Okay. Or face the front, or face the class. Okay, on your globe, now everyone look up here. Okay, Eileen. Okay, I'd like you to indicate on the globe, okay, indicate the meridian lines or the meridians. Okay, and Stephen, you indicate the parallels. Okay, parallel lines or parallels. So Eileen, she will indicate the meridians, okay, meridian lines, and Stephen will indicate the parallels. So receiving students, you heard that. Meridians and parallels. All right, we'll start off with Eileen. Okay, Eileen. Okay, you can indicate that to the receiving students and also to the class. Okay, class, you agree? Yes. Okay, very good, Eileen. Okay, Stephen? Are you looking at the camera? And you exhale. Okay, very good. So those are parallels. Okay, thank you. You two can sit down. Okay, so receiving students, I hope you got that right. So meridians, okay, meridians are the lines that are running from north to south, okay? Lines of meridians, or what should we say? What can we say? Longitude lines, very good, okay? Longitude lines, or we can say meridian lines or meridians. Okay, parallels, what are they? Lines of latitude or latitude lines, huh? Okay, that run from east to west. Okay, receiving students. All right, let's have another volunteer. Thank you, Andy. It's so hot. Sorry. Andy, can you come to the front, please? I'm sorry, it's very hot, so I'm fanning myself. Andy. Okay, we'll have Andy and Esther. Come up to the front. Thank you. Okay, receiving students. Volunteers to go up to the front. Okay, here's your globe. All right. Okay. Okay, we start off with Esther. Okay, Esther, she's going to indicate to us the prime meridian line on the globe. Okay, can you show to the receiving students or to the class where the prime meridian line is? Okay, so you have a look at the globe. And Andy, okay, the parallel line or the main line of latitude, which is measured in 0 degrees, which is the what? Equator. Oh. Esther, can you understand there? Yes. Okay, we'll have Esther first. Esther, to show the receiving students. The prime meridian line. Okay, prime meridian line is measured in, it's how many degrees? 0 degrees. The prime meridian line of longitude. Okay, and where is it? Can you check 0 degrees? Okay, very good. Okay. So we have the prime meridian line, 0 degrees, and on the other side of it is the what? Does anyone know? Anyone guess? Okay, from here to here is 0 degrees. That's a prime meridian line, okay? And then it continues. So what's the other line? International date line, which is 180 degrees. Okay. Andy, can you show to the receiving students, please? Okay, so how many degrees is that? 0 degrees, the equator. Okay, thank you, Andy. All right. So the equator, 0 degrees, okay, separates the northern hemisphere from the southern hemisphere. Okay, very good. So I hope you all clear with that. So meridians and parallels instead of latitude and longitude lines. Okay, good. Now we'll move on. Okay. All right. So you always find this on these lines, okay, latitude, longitude lines on a grid or atlas, map, globe. All right. Okay, have you got your books out? Exercise books? Okay, good. All right. This is not clear. Okay, here. You cannot see from here, just look up here. Okay, so I better take this one out to make it clear. So this place is really hot. Is else working? Okay. All right, number 1 and 2. Okay, quickly, 1 and 2, receiving students. 1 and 2. What is the location of A, B, and C? Location, that means you will have to indicate Okay, the latitude and longitude, if it asks for location, all right? You already know that it's asking for latitude and longitude, so you will have to get the right location, okay, for these points A, B, and C. Okay, quickly, receiving students and 8Cs. You can just write your answers if you want to. Just write your answers. No need to get the questions down, so we can move on quickly. Remember, you must always put your latitude reading first. Okay? Latitude must always come first, and then you have your longitude reading. This is very simple. It's just on a grid. But in an atlas, you will have to be careful. You will have to round off some of the points. Okay, who wants to come up and do write up A, B, and C quickly? Give your answer for A, B, and C. Anyone? The location of point A, B, and C. Or someone to do A, another one B. Okay, Eunice, come up and do A. Receiving students, go up to the front. Paulus, B. Okay, A, B, C. So. Okay, Paulus, B. Okay, and C. Okay, Zimalin to do C. All right. Everyone agrees with this? These answers? Okay. A, the location of A, like I said, latitude, always read the latitude first. Okay. Latitude, remember, that goes across. Okay. Latitude lines. These are the latitude lines. Longitude lines are these lines here going down. So 18 degrees north and 14 degrees east. Okay. B, 14 degrees north, 16 degrees east. C, 12 degrees north and 20 degrees east. Okay, very good. Number 2. Someone to do number 2. Andrew, can you come up and write your answer, please? Receiving students, go up and write your answer for question 2. Which point is located at 12 degrees north and 14 degrees east? Okay. Yes? Okay, very good. Letter E, or point E. 12 degrees north and 14 degrees east. Okay, so that's very simple. So you will have to learn the simplest first, okay? The basics first before you go on to the harder, the complex. Okay? So as long as you know how to read the latitude and longitude, and then from there you can go on to a map or read the location. All right, now it says, receiving students, if you have your atlas there, please. It says turn to page 11 of your atlas. Page 11 of your atlas. I think some of you don't have any atlases. So can we share with our friends, please? Okay. This. Oops. Can I please get this one and give it to those ones there? They don't have any atlas. Okay. Okay, this one. All right, page 11 of your atlas. That's receiving students. Okay, question 3, it says, what is the longitude and latitude of this mountain? Yep, in Bougainville. Okay, that's on page 11. So you look at the, get the reading, the latitude and the longitude reading of Mount Balby. Mount Balby in Bougainville. Okay, get the latitude and longitude reading for that. I'm supposed to write latitude first, then longitude. Okay, so receiving students, that's on page 11 of your atlas. Get the latitude and the longitude reading for Mount Balby. Now you can estimate, all right, or round off to the nearest degree. Okay. All right, once you finish that, the next question, which place is located at 10 degrees south and 151 degrees east. Please, if your friends are not sure, please can you help them? Help them to get the location. Yes. Oh, Mount Baldy. Um, for the latitude, you can round off the latitude. It can be 6 degrees. I mean, it says 6 degrees because it's close to 6. So 6 degrees south. Okay, for this, it's in the middle. Can you see? It's in the middle of 154 and 156. So what will that be? Yeah, 155 degrees. Like I said, if your friends are not sure, please, it's good that you try and help them, okay? Help them how you to get the latitude reading and longitude reading. They're still confused. Okay, it's good that you share your knowledge with one another. Okay, not keep it to. Okay. All right. Question 3. Can we have someone, please? Someone to come to the front. Donovan. Okay, Donovan, can you come up and write the latitude reading? Yeah, just the latitude. We'll have someone to write the longitude. Okay, receiving students, latitude reading of that mountain. Okay, you go to the front and write your answer. Donovan, I said just a latitude reading. That's okay. Okay, thank you. All right. Latitude. Okay, 6 degrees south. Okay, and longitude. Okay. All right, so the latitude, we rounded it off because it's nearly 6 degrees. 6 degrees south. Okay, and the longitude reading, because it was in the middle, in between 145 and 154 and 156 degrees east. So it's in between. So we said 155 degrees east. Okay, very good. Now the last one, question 4. Question 4, please. Which place is located at 10 degrees south and 151 degrees east? Someone come up and write the answer on the board. Receiving students. Okay, let's have Naomi. Naomi A, please. Can you come up and write your answer? Or Naomi H. Just write your answer up here. Okay, receiving students, you got this answer? Or did you get this answer? Yes or no? Okay, yes. All right, so this place, where is this? Where is it? In Millen Bay, yeah? Okay, in Millen Bay. All right. So Sehulea is located at 10 degrees south and 151 degrees east. Right, so 8Cs, you understand what we just looked at or went through? Latitudes and longitudes. Remember, latitude always comes first, huh? and then your longitude reading. So meridians or parallels. All right, can I have everyone to sit up straight and look up to the front, please? 8Cs and receiving students. Okay, close your atlases. All right, I reminded you 8Cs, but not the receiving students, about your, what was that, your peer teaching. Yes, your peer teaching, where you're going to teach the grade 7s, okay? So each group, you have to come up with a topic, all right? A topic on anything that we looked at, all right, receiving students? That's what the 8Cs are doing, so if you'd like to also do peer teaching, then that's up to you. Okay, so each group you come up with a topic, and by next week you're going to teach, okay? Next week. So you only have this week and the remaining days. So I wonder how many of your groups have chosen the topics, which topics to teach? So like I said, any topic at all. All right, group 3, what are you teaching? Grid references. Okay, you other groups here, group 3s are going to teach on grid referencing. So that can be 4-figure reference or 6-figure reference. Okay, group 3, group 4? Group 4, what's your topic that you're going to be teaching on? Okay, you'll have to decide, please, by this afternoon. Can you give me your topics so I know which topic you're teaching on. So you're going to teach the grade 7s. Maybe some in here, some outside. So only group 3s, they've decided what they're going to teach on. They've come up with their topic. Or group 1? Culture. Okay, group 1, culture. Volcanic activities. Okay, good. Like I said, it's anything. Any topic. Group forest. Set on logging and all that. No. I said it's set on logging and... Okay. Okay, I think we'll discuss that later. All right, thank you, 8Cs and receiving students. Receiving teachers, our keyword for today is latitude and longitude. Thank you, 8Cs and receiving students, for participating in today's lesson.